Machine Repeat. Good morning, Dan Sullivan with Sullivan Auctioneers. We're down in a little different area today. We're in East Central Kentucky for a land and equipment auction. We'll send you a short video of a Kubota M105S tractor and loader, and follow along SullivanAuctioneers.com for upcoming auctions. And as always, go to MachineRepeat.com for current machinery values and listings of equipment. Thank you, Greg. 22.5. 20's got 25,000. Now 27.5 hubby. Right here, Jim. 27.5. 27.5. 27.5. And I'm here now. 27.5. 25,000. 26. Now 7. Now 28, Jim. 27.8. Now 9. 29. Now 30. 30. 30. 30 pound dollar. 30 pound dollar. 29. 30,000. 29.5. Now 30,000. Now 500. 30 pound 500 dollar. Yeah, internet. 30,500. 30 pound 500 dollar. 500 dollar. 30,500. Now 31. 31. Now 500. 31. 5. Now 32, 2, now 5, 32, 5, yeah, still out again, now 33, 3, 3, 5, 33, 5, 33, 5, 33, 5, folks, what's it worth to buy one off a small farming operation like this? It hasn't been abused. Had a mower behind its owl. 1,307 hours. 33, 5. 33, 5. 5, yeah, internet. 33, 5. Now 34. Now 5. Now 35,000. 34, 5. 35, 5, yeah, again, 35,000. 35, 35,000. 35,000. 35, 5, 35,000. What are you going to do? Now 35. 35,000. 34, 5. 35,000. You're still out. That's all I can do, Ivan. 35,000. 34, 5. Yes or no? Gotta go to get 35,000, 34, 5, 35, anybody else? 35, 35, and all little done, Scotty devoted. 35,000, 35, 35, 34, 5, 35,000, $35,000, ladies and gentlemen. The hammer's high. I'm going to bid 34, 5. Anybody else at 35,000? Sold it. 34,500. Congratulations. $34,500. Put it down to bid a number 125.